This batch looks good.
Agreed. Sugar levels are optimal. Okay, this pallet is ready for shipment. Approved. Next.
Sir, pinsapuhan sa iyam. Ahadagin parang buti will smoother canner. Kahit sir ni grinding tackers of sleeping in ains with thee.
Okay, this pallet is secure. Batch number 7890 expires next June.
Got it. All checks out on my end. Let's move it to aisle C. Adrian, are these batch codes matching the manifest?
Yes, Clara, all checked and aligned. Looks good.